welcome back to Cooking with Kendall featuring Papa Kev.
Hi.
Today we are making cake pops and we are going to be doing my Mimi's classic recipe versus Baby Cakes Mini, which I got for Christmas. First thing you always want to do is
make sure you have adult supervision and make sure you always wash your hands before you're going to cook anything. Okay, time to get started. What we're going to do is we're going to start with Mimi's recipe and we're going to use classic yellow cake mix and vanilla frosting. So you're going to need some basic ingredients. You're going to need cooking oil, eggs, some melting candy, wafers, a mixing bowl. So, ready to go?
Yep. Let's get started.
We're going to start with the white cake mix. And Kendall, how much water in the cup?
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. Let's see if I can do this. We're going to dump the whole box in, right?
Yes. Don't forget, we had to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
So I'm just going to dump this in the thing of water, right, Kendall?
No.
No?
In the bowl.
Okay. Okay, there you go.
Next up, we're going to add 3 large eggs.
Ooh, you did it perfectly. All right, let me try. Here goes. I don't want to get any shell in it. Perfect.
Good job.
Yep.
Next, you're going to add 1 cup of water.
Okay, and we had a cup. That's a cup?
That's 1 cup of water.
Wow, it doesn't even look like much.
Yeah, because it's so wide.
Okay, you
and
hold
then
that.
Add half a cup.
Half a cup of oil.
That does not look like a half a cup. Okay. And then you're going to mix it all together.
Should we mix it with a whisk or that machine?
Machine.
Okay.
So I would put it at 1.
Ooh, it looks like it's mixing up pretty good. So far, so good. So now, should we pour it in this pan and make sure it's all nice and level and even? Is that what we have to do?
Yes, we have to pour it in the pan and then we flatten it out with the spatula.
Okay, let me hold the spatula. You pour it in. Slow and steady, nice and even, right?
That's what the spatula's for. Yeah, make sure you get all of it in. And use your spatula if you need it. It did not pour. This looks so good.
It smells good now too. I can actually smell it. It smells pretty good.
Okay, now why don't you hold it and I'll scrape it.
A few moments later.
So, should I just go around the edges like this?
To get it.
To loosen it up?
Yeah, to loosen it so it's not stuck.
Okay, I'm going to slide this over a little bit. So I'm just unsticking it from the pan, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I
Can
think...
I flip it over, you think? And it'll land on it?
Yeah, I think do it in this way. Do it in this tray.
Can I flip it over?
Yeah. Ooh, nice. All right.
Perfection. Don't you want a piece?
I do. If it's okay with you, I'd like to try a piece of our cake first.
It's getting crushed, right? Anyway, so it doesn't matter.
That's a good cake.
What do I just
I
grab
think
it?
you just grab it and crumble it up. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah, so I think what we're supposed to do is take it like this and kind of crumble it and not make snowballs out of it, because then it's just going to be stuck together. You think this is okay?
This is very appetizing.
This is taking a long time.
Okay. What is the next step? So you're gonna take the lid off. You're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds
And mix it all up with the cake, right?
and mix it into the
Okay,
cake.
so the important thing is we really want to get all this aluminum foil off because you can't have this in the microwave.
Make sure you get all of it because there's a lot of cake.
Okay, so 30 seconds in the microwave. Ooh, it looks delicious. Nice. It almost looks like cream cheese.
That's what I was just gonna say.
That's enough frosting.
So now we just mix it around.
I'm gonna roll them into balls.
They're so soft, like that.
Ooh, that's pretty good. Nice. You're actually pretty good at that.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're gonna melt this chocolate in a cup. Make sure it's glass, not plastic.
I think that's about all we need. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds first, okay? And then we'll check it and we'll do 15-second intervals after that. We're gonna take some of these chocolate chips and put them in this cup and mix them with frosting, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think this might be enough.
So I'm gonna pour sprinkles onto the plate. And Papa, what are you gonna be doing?
Why are you pouring sprinkles on a plate?
Cause I wanna get sprinkles on some of them. So what you do, I'm gonna dip it into the sprinkles
After we do the frosting?
after you do the frosting.
Nice, good idea.
So I'm just gonna pour some on.
All right, I'm stirring up some frosting and some chocolate chips that we melted. If you remember, we just poured them in the cup, and then I put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. And again, this smells pretty good. I'm gonna dunk mine first, and I think after we dunk them, we're gonna set them in this stand. Okay. Oh my goodness, that looks good.
That looks so good.
It
Now
really
put it
does
on
look good.
stand.
You're gonna dunk yours into the sprinkles?
Oh no.
I like the way it looks though. It looks pretty tasty. Okay, so what do you think? So far we've got a few in. I did the ones without the sprinkles except
You
for
did that
one.
one.
Yeah.
You did that one and I
Okay.
did that one. You
Oh,
did that one.
And you like the little red?
Red was my favorite.
I like the
Look
tray.
at how perfect these two were, Papa. You did.
Oh, nice, good. The tray holds them pretty well. I like that. They look good.
Comment down below what your favorite kind of cake pop is.
I will tell you too, what I did trying to be fancy is I spun it in there, the cake pop, and I made the cake pop fall off the stick because it spun too much. So don't spin them in there. All right, so this is the taste test?
Yeah.
Okay, so we made
Flavors.
cake pops, right? We made some in your machine. We had extra because it made so many, so we made cupcakes, and then we made homemade cake pops with Mimi's recipe, right? Okay, so you guys taste one and see what you think. Okay, they already took a bite, so ready? You want to do it on 3?
Yeah.
One.
This is the little machine these are from the little machine
Oh,
Kendall
I'm
got for
trying
Christmas.
those.
1,
Wait,
2,
you choose
3.
first.
That was good.
The
Yes.
one out of the machine I think is very good,
Good.
but I got a lot of frosting.
Pretty rich.
Yeah. All right, time to vote. You guys tell me. What do you guys think? Who likes the cake pop machine?
I do.
Me.
I do.
Oh, that might be the winner. Who likes the homemade recipe for cake pop?
I just
And
like
who liked the
vanilla.
cupcake the best? I think this one here. Okay, what do we have to say?
Hit that like button and subscribe.
Thank
for
you.
watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.